Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to Razcapapercraft YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami small heart shape basket. It is very small, very easy to make, and you will need only very few pieces. I hope you like this. Let's start. For this model we need three colors: red, dark pink and a light green. And these are small 3D origami pieces. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. These small pieces are made from this rectangular of paper. These pieces are made in the same way like the other one, but the only difference is the size of this rectangular of paper. 3.6 by 2.7 centimeters. And now I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, you will find the links in the description of the video. Also there you will have information about the number of pieces and the paper. Please read the description. Okay, you can see there is a huge difference between these two pieces, and now I will transform this. I use 6 large pieces connected together in a row, put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. In the beginning I will show you how I glue 3D origami pieces, and somebody asked me that to show how I glue these pieces properly, and in this way I glue every piece in my models. I don't show when I make the tutorial because I work faster and without glue, but I glue every piece, and in this way we connect pieces until we have 8 pieces in the first row, 7 pieces in the second, and 6 pieces in the third row. Complete these rows. Now we have 8 pieces in the first row, 7 in the second and 6 in the third. We close the circle and then connect the pieces like this. I complete the rows, and now we have a small 3D origami open base, 8 pieces in each row. Next we push a little bit like this, but not too much. And now we will increase. We have 8 pieces and we increase to 12. First we put a normal piece like this, and then we increase. We put one piece here and then 2 above. Then again one normal, and increase. One normal, and increase again. Now we increase for the last time, and we have 12 pieces in this last row. Next, we will glue 2 pieces like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges free, and then put another 2. Next, we will glue pieces like this. And I will repeat this until we will have 17 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, until we have 17. Complete these 2 parts like this, 17. And next, we glue 1 piece here and another one in the other part, and then we put glue inside and some glue on this middle piece. Then repeat in the other part. This. And now we curve. Like this. Next, we will push a little bit here. Like this. Next, we will glue here. I will use a very fast drying glue. And I will wait for the glue to dry. Now the little basket is finished, and then we will put this flower. This is the little rose I make some months ago, and it is from this model. You will find the link in the description of the video, but we will not make the stem, only the flower. Remember, you will find the link in the description of the video. And now I put the flower here and I will glue her like this. The model is finished, and I hope you enjoy this small model. It's a very small and very nice gift for Valentine's Day. And if you have a question about 3D origami techniques, please let a message and I will try in the next tutorial to respond. If you like my videos, please subscribe, rate, make comments and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.